If you ask any tried and true online business owner, any tried and true internet marketer, they'll tell you that the majority of their sales still come from your email. And again, I know that that's really like, what? It sounds weird to people who are not on the internet, like selling things, but it's true. There's a reason why every time you go shopping at a store, they're always asking you, what your email address is when you're going to pay and to check out. Oh, what's your email address? What's your phone number? Because essentially they want a way to continue to keep up with you and to contact you and to let you know about different promotions. So if you're going to be an online entrepreneur, the majority of your sales are going to come through email, meaning most people make the mistake of thinking, oh man, if I just get my Instagram following up to X amount of followers, or if I get my YouTube following up to X amount of YouTube followers, or my podcast listenership up to X amount of subscribers, I can just tell people I'm releasing XYZ product and then expect them to buy. And it doesn't always work out that way. There's actually like an infamous story. I'll have to find it and I'll link it and include it in the show notes. But there was a very large social media influencer. I forget how many followers she had, but she had a lot. I want to say it was like upwards of 1 million. And she was complaining because she had launched this like t-shirt line and she spent all this money on it and she couldn't even sell 20 t-shirts. And it's like, what? How do you have all these followers and you can't sell 20 t-shirts? And that's because she didn't understand these terms and she didn't understand online business. If you want to make sales like that, it's primarily going to come through your email list.